Hello viewers, we are back with another video. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to take another question from Blind 75 series. This is Leetcode 125 Valid Palindrome. Many of you already might be knowing about palindrome. It's an easy labeled question. But let me first explain what is palindrome, then I'll explain more about what is being asked here. Palindrome is something where either we read from the beginning or either we read from the end. The word, the way will are going to pronounce the word will be same. So let's say if I write madam, so if we read from the last, it will be madam. That is again madam. And if I start from the beginning, then again it will be madam only. So either we read from beginning or either we read from end, it's going to be same. So the brute force approach to solve this should be to create a reverse string from this string and then compare both of the strings. So we can basically take the reverse function to find the reverse string of this, and whatever comes out of that, let's call it as reverse string. Now we can compare this with the original string, and now if both of them are equal, then it's a valid palindrome. But this operation of finding the reverse string is going to cost us O of n space complexity, because we are going to create another string of n length and then we need to compare it. But the interviewer might not be happy with this approach and he will want us to do it in O of n, O of 1 space complexity, like without using another string. So what we can do in that case, what we can do is, instead of taking a new string, we can take two pointers, I, which will start from the left of the string, and j, which will start at the end index of the string. So add dot length minus 1. So for an example, if I take the same example of madam, so I will start from this index of 0 and j will start from this index. Now what we can do, we can just compare the values at I and j, and if they are equal, then we will move forward from the ith position to next position, and we move backward from the jth position to the next back position here, like the backward direction. So j will be decreasing and I will be increasing, and if we'll perform the same operation of checking whether the strings are equal or not, the characters are equal or not. If in at any place we find out, okay, this character at this position of I and this position of j are not equal, that means it's not a valid palindrome. We can straightforward go and return false from there. Else we'll keep on doing it till the time we cross each other. Till the time I is less than j, we'll keep on doing this. For an example, in this, if I start from 0 and j starts from 4, sorry, yeah, it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4. So initially the value at ith position and jth position is same, that is m. So we'll move forward. I will become 1 and j will become 3. The values are again same. So we will move forward and I will become 2 and j will become 2. So both have crossed each other, or basically they have met. They have met at position 2. Since 2 is common for both, either we are reading from left or either we are reading from right. So we don't have to check because they will be equal only. Values at 2, second index will be same if I read it with I or if I read it with j. So they are anyhow going to be same. So that's why I don't have to check anything when they are equal or they cross each other. If they become like I becomes 3 or j becomes, let's suppose it will become 1, right? They have crossed each other. So here we don't have to check. We have to check till this position. So this two pointer approach will definitely help us because we'll be doing in place comparison without taking the extra string. And yeah, this is how we'll are going to solve it. We'll see this in the code. So let's code this up. The first thing we have to do is we need to convert all non-alphanumeric character to all non-alphanumeric character to alphanumeric character. So for that we are going to use the replace function of string. And here we want to replace all the non-alphanumeric character with the empty string. So basically this is this all non-alphanumeric character is getting removed using this empty string. How to find non-alphanumeric character? We'll give a regex. In regex, what we have to write a capture group, and here we'll try to find. First, let's try to find the alphanumeric character. So alphanumeric goes from A to G, from capital A to capital G, and from 0 to 9. Now, if we take the negation of this, for that we you have to use caret. So this is this thing, whatever I am highlighting, will find out the non-alphanumeric group of characters, because we have given the square bracket. Now this will find me the first occurrence of such group, but I want multiple of such group. I want to globally search on my whole string. That's why I have to give this flag G, global search. Now we'll replace everything with empty string, and we will convert the resultant to lowercase. So for that we can use this string function called lowercase. We will take two variable to move in both the directions. I for moving from left to right, that will start from 0. J from moving right to left, that is going to be started from the last index as length minus 1. While loop will be taken for doing things continuously, and we will be doing till this condition holds true. Check for violation. That means s of I not is equal to s of j. It's a violation of palindrome. So we can straight away say it's not a valid palindrome, boss. If that's not the case, we can move forward. So I plus plus and j should move backward, j minus minus. If this goes on continuously and we come out of this loop, that means we have processed every character in the loop. At the end, we can return true because there was no violation. This while loop is basically checking for the violation of palindrome condition. If we have never met that, that means we are good and it's a valid palindrome. So let's run it and see if it works. So this works fine. Let's submit it. And this is working fine too. I hope you have understood the solution and you liked the video. If you have liked the video, then please go and click the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and keep watching. There are many more videos coming. Thank you. See you in the next video.